Hi, I'm Meeta and this is episode 4 of Party Starters with Board Up Guwahati. I hope you've been enjoying all the episodes so far. Today I'm gonna introduce you to a little card game called Grab by Trunkworks. It is a really fun game that anyone can play. The box says 6 to 99 and I would have to agree because almost anyone can play this and you only need a minute or two to learn it. There are not too many components to grab. There is a deck of cards. There are different cards. It has different illustrations. I'll get to that in a bit. And there are 4 tokens. The red bear, the green clock, the yellow owl and the blue bag. It's really easy to set up and play grab. All you have to do is shuffle the cards and place it at the center of the table. Take your 4 tokens and also place them at the center of the table so that it's easy for everybody to reach out for them. Then the starting player will flip over a card. Each card has different objects on it. This one has a blue bag, a yellow clock and a green bear. If you have to match the card with the token in front of you, the right token is this blue bag. Why? The object and the color is the same. In the card, the clock is yellow, but the object is green. In the card, the bear is green, but the object is red. So, the correct token to grab is this blue bag. If you grab it correctly and you're the first person to grab it, you get this card. The objective of the game is to grab the right tokens and get the most amount of cards. Now there's a catch. There are some cards in the deck that have a red bag on it. If you see a red bag, you have to grab all the tokens. If you grab 1 or 2 or even 3 by mistake, you will have to pay a penalty, which means that you will have to give a card back from your hand that you had won. So if you see the red bag, grab all the tokens. Remember, it is a very affordable game. It is priced at $2.99 and usually there are some discounts even on their official website or even on Amazon. I will try and share the links down below so that you can check them out if you want to buy yourself a copy. Another pro, I think, is that it is not language restricted, which means that you only need to know colors and objects to actually play this game, which is fantastic. And the box says anyone between the age of 6 and 99 can play this game, and we have to agree. Everybody likes to play this game and we have played this game a lot. But the components are really nice and they have withstood all the wear and tear, believe us. If you think that this is the game for you, then do check it out. It is a family game, but it also can be a really nice party game. If you have friends who don't like to think too much and don't want to analyze and over strategize, this is the game that you need to play. It's simple, it's easy and it's so much fun. Also, it's really affordable and so portable. Remember that. If you like how this game sounds, do check it out and stay tuned for all the other videos that other Board Up members are doing. And if you think that what we are doing is fun and interesting, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. That would help us a lot. And if you have any suggestions or feedback of the kind of videos that we can do, then definitely let us know in the comments down below. We will try and make videos and more content that are fun for you and fun for us as well. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.